Rajesh, you tried out the transplant, so how many follicles you tried?
I think almost 1,500 strands.
1,500 strands, okay. With 1,500 strands you got only this much of
Yeah.
information. Okay.